Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unrestrict someone on Facebook. Let's start. So the first thing that you need to do is open your Messenger application. So now to show you guys, I'll restrict a chat. So tap to open the chat which you want to restrict. Now tap on their name on the top. After that, you need to scroll down to the bottom. And here, below Privacy and Support, you'll get to see an option that says Restrict. So tap on it and confirm by tapping on Restrict on the bottom. And as you can see, the chat is now restricted. So now, if I go back to the chat, you will see you restricted this account. If you go to the main page of Messenger, you will see the chat is not available here. So in order to unrestrict, tap on Menu on the top left corner and go to Settings. From here, you need to go to the option that says Privacy. From Privacy, you'll get to see Restricted Accounts option. Just tap on it and you will see the restricted account. Just tap to open it and then tap on Unrestrict on the bottom. Now just wait for it to get unrestricted. And as you can see, you have successfully unrestricted this account. This way you can unrestrict or restrict anyone that you want. So that is how you can unrestrict someone on Facebook. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.